Sir, here up. Sir, here. So my question is that you, as senior sir said that women had not participated yet in infantry and armored forces. So would you forward look for an India where women are part of infantry and armored corps?
Okay. Before I come to the answer proper, I'll just tell you there will be a lot of questions are women. So what are the streams in which women can join army? So the first thing is at 10+2 level, NDA. So we have vacancies for women in NDA. So if you are a PCM student as of now, though PCM, you can join army. Then you come to graduation, we have an entry called SSC Tech. So if you are a graduate in any stream of, any main stream of the engineering, you can join us. That is called SSC Tech. So Short Service Commission Tech. Then for women, we have NCC entry. That also vacancies are quite a bit, around 20 vacancies. So if you have NCC, either during your engineering, medical or normal graduation, you can apply directly. So this is the entry where you get directly, even in the SSC non-tech or this entry, you get a direct SSB, you don't have a written exam. So that is entry. Then JAG entry. So we get vacancies around 10 every year, which are 50%. So 5 for men and 5 for women. So you can join us through JAG branch. And then we also have SSC non-tech, serious exam where women are permitted. So these are the entries where women, we are allowing them from 10+2 till 27 years of age. Also we have vacancy for women in TA entry. So that is from 18 to 42 years. Those vacancies are 2 to 3 limited. More importantly for women who are studying medical, we have this NEET exam. Based on that, we have a lot of vacancies reserved for women, 35% in AFMC, Armed Forces Medical College, and also nursing services. So these are the kind of vacancies that we have. Now why women are, what we are looking at doing at women in infantry and armored corps, you see we have to graduate. So we have increased these vacancies over last 5 years. We are open more arms and services, not arms, other services, and even supporting arms in combat roles, supporting combat roles who are coming. And we are also, trying to see how women do fit in and how we do adopt. So once we adopt to our roles, probably we look at women also coming into infantry and armored corps. Thank you.